Welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a creamy and delicious Sabudana milk pudding, a dessert that's smooth, silky and full of caramel flavor. First take 1/4 cup Sabudana or Tapioca pearls. Wash well. Sabudana is rich in carbohydrates, great for instant energy. Now boil some water. Add the washed Sabudana. Cook until the pearls turn transparent. Soak Sabudana for 15 to 20 minutes before boiling for faster cooking. Now for the caramel. In another pan, add 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 1 tablespoon water. Cook until it turns golden brown. Always stir while making caramel or it can be burned quickly. Now pour this caramel into a mold and let it set. Now in the same pan, pour 2 cups milk. Add 1/4 cup sugar and 2 teaspoons agar-agar powder. Mix well and cook on medium heat. Mix agar-agar powder well to avoid lumps. Milk adds calcium and protein for healthy bones. Agar-agar is a natural vegetarian gelatin substitute. Let it come to a gentle boil. Add the boiled sabudana and mix nicely. Cook for another 5 minutes. Then pour the mixture over the caramel layer. Let it cool completely. Then keep it in the fridge for 1 hour to set perfectly. Cool the pudding before refrigerate for perfect texture. When unmolded, you will get a glossy, wobbly pudding with a beautiful caramel top and a soft, creamy texture. Sabudana or tapioca pearl is made from cassava root starch. It's one of the most common fasting foods in India. Caramel desserts were first made in France in the 17th century. This dessert is light, gluten-free and perfect for kids. And there you go, a rich silk Sabudana milk pudding with a caramel twist. If you love creamy melt-in-the-mouth dessert, try this one at home and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Cake and Cookies for more simple, delicious dessert recipes.